Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK and our topic is countries and their currencies. Unit 8. So now we are going to learn in detail that which currency in which country. So introduction. Currency is the most specific used of the world refers to money. So currency is anything that is used in any circumstances as a medium of exchange. So currency is need, not a physical object. Currency is system of money, monetary units in common use, especially in a nation. So, currency is the most specific used of the world refers to money, and currency is needs not a physical object. Currency is anything that is used in circumstances as a medium of exchange. Currency is a system of money in common use, especially in the nation. So, monetary units. Currency is monetary units and most specific use of words refers to money. History, early currencies. Currency evolved from two bases in ovulations, both of which had occurred by 2000 BC. Originally, money was form of receipt representing grain sorted in temple uh, gradients in somewhere in ancient Mesopotamia, then ancient Egypt. So, College, these factors led to the metal itself being the store of value. First silver, then both silver and gold, and at the point also a bronze. Now we have a copper coins and other non-precious metal as coins. So paper money, it began as a mean for a merchants to exchange heavy coinage for receipt of deposit issued as promissory notes by wholesaler shop. So, modern currencies now currency is based on a concept of lax monete that a sovereign state decides which currency it shall use. So, currently the International Organization of Standardization has introduced a three-letter system of codes ISO 4217 to define currency. In general, that three-letter code use the ISO 31661 country code for the first two letters and the first letter of name of the currency. So now modern currencies is developed. So here we can find that currencies of different countries, that different types of currencies in different countries. USA in dollar. Here we can see in USA dollar, European in union, UK in pound, Japanese in yen, and Australian in dollar. So there are so many types of currencies in in a different countries. So we are going to learn in detail that which types of currencies in which countries. First, Bangladesh. So here we can find the Bangladesh in Taka. So in a Bangladesh use Taka currency. So here we can find the Bangladesh Taka currency photographs. So the Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. So in a Bangladesh, Taka is a currency of Bangladesh. So the most commonly used symbol for the taka is T, K and T. This is used on receipt while purchasing goods and services. So one taka is divided into 100 pausa. So, taka is divided in 100 pausa. In Bengali, the word taka is also used to mean any money, currency or notes. So, Bangladesh Bank, the central bank of the country, prints the currency except for 1 taka and 2 taka notes which are made by the Ministry of Finance. So the Bangladesh in a country of Bangladesh in taka currency used, and it is the most commonly used symbol for T and K. So in a Bengali words, the taka is also used to mean any money, currency or not. So children, you all are understand about taka currency. Now we are going to learn a next country and currency, and it is a United Kingdom. So UK in we can see pound. So here we can find a photograph of pound. So United Kingdom, UK in currency used it called pound. So pound is sterling, commonly known as the pound, is the official currency of United Kingdom, UK. So in a United Kingdom, UK in pound currency is official currency. It is a subdivided into 100 pence, and a number of nations that do not use sterling also have currencies called the pound. At various times, the pound sterling was commonly money or banknotes backed by a silver or gold, but it is currently fiat money backed only by the economy in the areas where it is accepted. So the pound sterling is the world's oldest currency still in use and which has been in continuous use since its inception. So, in United Kingdom, uh, in United Kingdom, pound currency used. So, in a UK, they are used pound for currency. So, children, you all are understand about United Kingdom currency. Now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is a United States of America. So, in America, they are used dollar. So here we can find the photograph of dollar. So dollar is currency of United States of America. So, the United States of America dollar or the American dollar, it is a official currency or money of the United States of America, and it is also used in number of other countries outside the US. So US in also use dollar, and the state of America is official currency is a dollar, and it is also a standard currency for international markets and selling goods such as gold and oil, petrol. When writing, the symbol for the American dollar is the dollar sign. Dollars can also be known as USD, means dollar. So here we can find the dollar sign. So dollar sign is can also known as USD. So United States of America in they are used dollar for a official currency. They call money to dollar, and it is also used another outside country of US, and it is an international market selling goods and such as gold and oil. So, children, you all are understand about United States currency, United States of America's currency. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is Russia. So in Russia, we can find a ruble. Here we can find the photograph or image of ruble. So ruble is a currency of Russia. So the currency used in Russia is the ruble, and Russia has a wide range of natural resources and is one of the world's largest product of oil. The world's first satellite, named Sputnik, was launched by a Soviet Union in 1957. So, in Russia, we can see that they can call money to ruble, and it is an official currency of Russian people and Russia. So, children, you all are understand about Russian currency. Now we are going to learn Argent Algeria. So, in Algeria, we can see here in Algeria they can call a dinar. So the dinar is the monetary currency of Algeria, and it is subdivided into 100 centimes. Centimes are now obsoleted due to their extremely low value. So here we can see they in Algeria country they can use the dinar. So their currency is dinar. So children, you all are understand about dinar and Algerian currency. Now we are going to learn our next slide, and it is Argentina. So in Argentina they call peso. So here we can find the image of peso and photograph of Argentina country. So the peso is the money of Argentina. It has also been called the peso convertible. It is divided into 100 cent was. The number is written with a sign and then number. In 2011, 4 pesos were equal to 1 United States dollar. So in October 2014, 8 pesos are equal to 1 United States dollar. So our Argentina currency is peso, and it is the official currency of Argentina. So they also been called a peso convertible. It is divided into 100 centros. The number of written with a S sign than the number. So, children, you all are understand about Argentina and their currency. So now we are going to learn next Switzerland. So here we can find a photograph of Switzerland currency, and it is a Swiss francs. So the Swiss francs is the currency of Switzerland, and lie chains, so the smaller denominations and hundredth of a France is rappen in German centime and the France centrismo, and in the Italian and rap in the Romas. So the Switzerland official currency is Swiss francs, and here we can find the Swiss francs is colorful, and also it is a German, French, and Romance French, Italian, Francisco sign. So, children, you all are understand about Switzerland's money or Switzerland currency. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is a China. So here we can find a China's money or currency. It called yuan. So the official Chinese currency is the renminbi, which you will also see it referred as yuan. What is the difference? So it is used interchangeably, but renminbi is the official term used to refer to China's currency. It is a literally means that the people's currency yuan is the actual unit and seems to be the more casual term used by everyday people on the streets. So, similarly to the way sterling and pound are used in the UK. So, in China, they are used yuan for their currency, and it is the official currency of China, and it is the people's currency. Yuan is the actual unit and seems to be the more casual terms used by everyday people on the street. So, children, you all are understand about China's currency. Here we can find the China photograph of China's currency. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is Brazil. So here we can find the Brazil currency, and it is a real. So Brazil currency is real, and the Brazil currency is called the real, and it is the official currency of Brazil, and its sign is RNS. If you are planning a trip to Brazil, you should know what their currency is. Its ISO code is BRL, and the real is subdivided into 100 centavos or hundreds. Money is a thing not many people care to learn much about, but it can be just as interesting as other cultural aspect of country. So, lesson below are the 5 interesting Brazil facts about the real. So, the real is the official currency of Brazil, and here we can find that Brazil, you should know that their currency, and subdivided into hundreds and towers or hundreds. So, children, you all are understand about Brazil currency, and it is a real. So, in today's lecture, we learn about Bangladesh and their currency, UK and their currency, United States of America and their currency, Russia and their currency, Algeria and their currency, and Argentina and their currency, and Switzerland and their currency, and China and their currency, and Brazil and their currency real. So now next we can learn about Portugal and their currency. So Portugal's currency is euro. Here we can find the photograph of euro. So the Portugal currency is euro. The euro is the official currency of 90 of the 27 member state of the earliest coins to become non-convertible were the Portuguese exudes which caused to have the authors conclude that the crisis is as much political as economics and the result of the fact that the euro area lacks the support. So the Portugal currency is euro and it is the official currency of the 19 of the 27 member state of the earliest coins to become a non-convertible were Portuguese excused those which caused to have. So, children, you all are understand about Portugal and their currency euro. So now we are going to learn a next currency and it is India. So here we can find the India and Indian currency rupee. So we all know that it is an Indian currency and it is rupee. Rupees of 500. Here we can find a photograph of rupees of 500 and then rupees of 2000. Here we can find a photograph of rupees of 2000 and then rupees or 100 rupees photograph. Here we can find the 100 rupees photograph and then rupees of 200. Here we can find the 200 rupees photograph. So rupees 50, here we can find the 50 rupees image and then 10 rupees image. So here we can find the Indian rupees and we all know about Indian currency. So the Indian rupee international currency called INR is the official currency in India. So Reserve Bank of India RBI controls the issue of the currency. Rupees is the common symbol for INR. So 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. The singular for paise is paisa. Sometimes it is referred to as the new paisa. Rupee is divided from the root Sanskrit words Rupiyakam meaning a silver coin. Most Indian will understand rupee through local language might have different words for the currency. So rupee is a come from a root. It is a Sanskrit words rupiyakam meaning of silver coin. So the Indian rupee is the currency of India. So children, you all are understand about India currency because you all familiar with Indian rupee. So Indian rupee is currency code is INR and it is a official currency in India of Reserve Bank of India control this issue of the currency. So Reserve Bank of India is control this currency, and it is a singular for paise and paisa. So children, you all are understand about Indian rupees. Now we are going to learn a next slide and next currency, and it is a United Arab Emirates. So in a United Arab Emirates, in dinar currency is used. So in a currency of United Arab is a dinar. So here we can find the photograph of dinar currencies, and there is a different types of colors and different types of money. So it was the currency which was first used is Arab world. It was the currency which was first used as an Arab world near the end of the 17th century. So the coins become an Islamic currency. So it had a name of the sovereign and the religious words on it. So the dirham was used by many Mediterranean countries, including Spain. So, dirham is a currency of United Arab, and it is a near the end of the 17th centuries the coin became an Islamic currency. So, children, you all are understand about United Arabs and their currency. So, children, in today's lecture, we can learn about different types of currencies and their name. So, we will see again that First, first we will learn about Bangladesh, and their currency is Taka. So Bangladesh and Taka. Next we can learn about United Kingdom and Pound. So it is official currency of United Kingdom, and then United States of America and dollar. So in a United States of America used a dollar currency, and then we learn about Russia and ruble. So in Russia, ruble currency is used, and Algeria. So in Algeria, they can use the dinar. Their currency name is dinar, and then Argentina in used peso. Their currency name is peso. Switzerland in Swiss francs. So Switzerland country in they used currency Swiss francs. And then China in they all use yuan in China. And then Brazil. So in a Brazil they used real. Their currency name is real. And their Portugal, so Portugal in use they used euro. So Portugal currency is euro. And then India. So in India we know that rupee, our currency is rupee. And then last and next, a United Arab. So in a United Arab country used dirham for their currency. So children, you all are understand about countries and their currencies. Hope you are all learn and understand this video. So, students, thank you and have a nice day.